Hello, Brandon, and everyone over there at Wayne EARP Home Improvements. I hope you guys are doing well. My name is Charles Marine. I am with Warley Digital, based here in Philadelphia. Actually, let me show you a picture of myself. That's me. Now, I went to the supermarket near me and I picked up the home improvement guide, and I found you guys there. You had advertised there, so I jumped on your website to take a look at it, and the reason I'm doing this, the reason I'm making this kind of video is just to give you a few tips, three main tips that you can use to help build your website, optimize it for Google. These tips, you can give them to your website person, your SEO, search engine optimization person, to implement and help you get more clients. The reason I'm doing this is because I know a lot of business owners don't have the time and sometimes even the knowledge to know exactly what they need to do to help them show up. So they end up spending a lot of money advertising. So don't want to waste any more of your time. So here we go. The three things I want to talk about are content, citations, and backlinks. Now, when I say content, I mean everything that's on your page, everything I've highlighted here in blue, all the text, all the words, the pictures, what the images are even saved as. You can see this is just saved as a random string of images. Of letters and numbers. But Google reads this. They scroll the web whenever anyone searches, and they see what's on your website. They see the pictures, the words behind the pictures, all the words. They count the words, and then they pick who they're going to put in front of the person who's searching. So Google optimizes for about 1,000 to 1,500 words of text on your page. Authoritative text that says exactly who you are, what you do, where to find you, what locations you service, etc. So I would definitely add more text here to your front page. I think you have maybe around 200 words. Increase it till about 1,000, 1,500. And by authoritative, I also mean saturating it with keywords. Now, what are keywords? Keywords are whatever people put in the search to search for a business. Let's say I'm in Abington and I'm looking for a bathroom remodel. That's what someone would type in, bathroom remodel Abington. And you'll see all these results. Now, these results are here because they're being put forward by Google because of this keyword. And I'm going to get into that a little bit in a minute or two. So, text, definitely you need to increase the text. Second thing is citations. Now, like I said, when someone searches for a certain service in an area, what Google does is bring up, first of all, Google Ads. Here we don't see any ads. No one's really advertising for this keyword. But then the second thing you'll see is this area called the map pack, where you have map and three different businesses. Now, how do you rank higher and higher in this map pack? Let's go to view all. These are all the businesses in the map pack. You can see a few people are advertising here. But then the first result is Mark 4 Kitchen. I'm guessing that this is your competitor. Now, the way to get higher and higher in this map pack to rank and actually be up here in front has to do with citations. Citations are anywhere on the web that your name, address, and phone number are listed. So any kind of directory like Yelp, LinkedIn, Yext, Dexnos, Better Business Bureau, etc. All those directories, the better authoritative directories that you are in, the higher and higher you will rank in this map pack for various searches in your area. Third thing I want to talk about are backlinks. Now, backlinks has to do with this area down here. This is called the organic search listings. Backlinks, if you think of the internet as a whole connection of web pages, a backlink is when a different web page links over to you. So, for example, if there was a forum for bathroom remodelers in Pennsylvania, and they had a blog and had your name and a link to your site on their site, that would be considered a backlink. I have a tool called Ahrefs, and with Ahrefs I can analyze different websites and see how many backlinks that they have. So let me pull this tool up here and I will analyze your website real quick. I can tell that you have about 457 backlinks and you're ranking for 10 organic keywords. Meaning if people search for these keywords, this is what position you'll be found at. So I'm going to let's go back to the search and I want to look at your competitor. Now the first person here after Home Advisor is Mastercraft KB and I put them into the tool. You can see that they have about 305 backlinks, but they're ranking for many more organic keywords. So when someone searches kitchen renovation Willow Grove, you can see that there are 50 people who search for it every month, and your competitors get 6 people because they're in the 3rd position. So bathroom remodel Abington, 50 people search every month. They get 6 people coming to their website because of that, because they're 3rd. So it does count. If you were to optimize your citations, backlinks, and your content, you'd be able to start ranking and stealing this traffic from your competitors. Not only that, they're ranking for many more other keywords. Bathroom model Doylestown, 30 people search for it a month. They get about 3 people because they're 4th. Now, you might wonder, why is it that you have more backlinks but you don't rank as high as your competitor? Well, that's because not all backlinks are the same. See, if like I said, if a forum in Pennsylvania is linking to you, that's a strong backlink. Google recognizes that you're in the same niche and it's a reputable backlink. Though if it's a Pizza Hut in Philadelphia linking to you, that's not as strong. So it would be important to go through your competitors' websites, backlinks, and make sure that you can match them. And that's not that hard. You can go in and analyze where they're linked, and then go to these websites. For example, I know My Kun Kun is a directory. Make sure you're listed in this directory as well. This Kun Kun Home Intelligence. So just go through, analyze their backlinks, make sure you're listed there as well, and then you'll start to rank higher and higher and higher. Last thing I just want to mention, that tool, this tool Ahrefs, it's a popular tool. It's out there. A lot of people use it. I've just analyzed this keyword, bathroom model Abington, and I can see exact traffic that you'd be getting. So therefore, and here's a Mark IV kitchens, and I remember seeing them when here they are, Mark IV kitchen and bath gallery. I guess that's your competitor. So if you have more and more citations, you're going to rank higher than them here. What other thing did I want to say? Yep. So you can tell if you start to optimize, you can grab quite a bit of this traffic from only this one keyword. And if we work on your site more and more and more, and go over to your competitors, compare with them, you start to rank for more keywords, and increase the number of these kind of keywords so that you're grabbing this traffic from your competitors. So Brandon, those are the 3 things I wanted to talk about. Sorry this went over. I wanted to keep this below 8 minutes. But again, the 3 things are backlinks, citations, and content. I do all of this. If you like what you've seen, again, my name is Charles. I'm from Wally Digital, and what we do is that we help build your online assets. As an example, this is a website I did for a client who's decided not to move to Philadelphia, but before they wanted to come here, I built them this website. They're in the same business as you are, but I kind of like it because of the eagle theme. Anyway, just wanted to show you a sample of what I do. If you want to improve your website, let me know. Yeah, thank you very much. Take care and have a great weekend.